Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back once again in my class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 7, famous trains. In this chapter, my dear students, we will study about the famous trains in the world. You can see on page number 7 their pictures of trains are given here. Now we are going to study about one by one about this train. First one, you can see, hailed in its time as the most famous train in the world. The 20th Century Limited operated between New York City and Chicago from 1902 to 1967. The passengers boarding at New York City or Chicago would walk to the train on a red carpet, giving rise to the phrase the red carpet treatment. Here you can see that first picture is shown on your screen on page number 7, that hailed in its time, that it is the very famous train at that time, the most famous train in the world, in the entire world. The 20th Century Limited operated between New York City and Chicago from 1902 to 1969. The passengers boarding at New York City on Chicago, they would have to walk on red carpet. Now here, giving rise to the phrase the red carpet, as they are walking on the red carpet at the boarding at New York City or Chicago, they would walk to the train on a red carpet, and they are giving rise to the phrase the red carpet treatment. Okay, now the second one is about the Ghan. The name of the train is the Ghan. Is an Australian transcontinental passenger train service between Adelaide and Darwin. Formerly known as the Afghan Express, the train provides one of Australia's legendary train services and one of world's greatest journeys. Here, this is about the train, the Ghan. This is an Australian transcontinental passenger train, and they give services between Adelaide and Darwin. Formerly known as the Afghan Express, and the train provides one of the Australia's legendary train services there, and it was one of the world's greatest journeys in the Ghan train. Now the third one is about the iconic Brighton Ballet. This is the name of the train. Was an English train that plied between London and Brighton. Introduced in 1908, the Brighton Ballet became the world's only electric train to turn completely on the luxurious coaches by the Pullman Car Company. And this is the iconic Brighton Ballet train. Was an English train, and there it built between the London and Brighton, and it was introduced in 1908, and the Brighton Ballet became the world's only electric train runs completely on the luxurious coaches by the Pullman Car Company. This is about the iconic train, that is the iconic Brighton Ballet train. Now The next one is about the Red Arrow Churchill. The Red Arrow Churchill, you can see in the picture also, it is red color. The Red Arrow Churchill of the Swiss Federal Railways was unveiled at the Swiss National Exposition in 1939 in Zurich. As a fine example of Swiss workmanship, it acquired the nickname Churchill in 1946 when former British Prime Minister Winston Churchill travelled through Switzerland on this train. Now this the Red Arrow train, named after the president name Churchill, and it was the Swiss Federal Railways, was unveiled as the Swiss National Exposition in 1939 in Zurich. As a fine example of Swiss workmanship, it acquired the nickname, as you can know, that the Red Arrow Churchill. It acquired the nickname Churchill in 1946 when the former British Prime Minister Winston Churchill travelled through Switzerland on this train. That's why this name is of Churchill, the Red Arrow Churchill of the Swiss Federal Railways, was the unveiled at the Swiss National Exposition in 1939 in Zurich. And it is also give the finest example of Swiss workman, and it acquired the nickname Churchill in 1946 after the former British Prime Minister Winston Churchill travelled through Switzerland on this train. Now the next one, the Shanghai Trans Rapid, is a Chinese maglev train. This is the picture of, you can see here, the Shanghai Transpid is a Chinese maglev train. It is also the world's fastest commercial service train. It connects Longyang Road at the Pudong International Airport in Pudong district. It runs at an average speed of around 230 km per hour and reaches a top of 430 km per hour. This is the Shanghai Trans Rapid is a Chinese maglev train. This is the faster commercial service train in the Shanghai, and it also connect the Longyang Road between the Pudong International Airport in the Pudong district, and it runs at the average of around 230 km per hour and reaches a top of 430 km per hour. This is about the Shanghai Trans Rapid. Now the next one is about the Indian train. The Indian Maharajas Express is a luxury tourist train that won the title of the world's leading luxury train at the World Travel Awards 5 times in a row. It is very, very important for India that the Indians Maharajas Express is a luxurious tourist train, and it also won the title of the world's leading luxury trains at the World Travel Award. How many times? 5 times in a row. It is also the world's most expensive luxury train with fares as high as, in US dollar, you can see $23,700. This is the fare of this express, the Indian Maharajas Express, and its fare as high as US dollar 23700. Now my dear students, in chapter 7 we have studied about the famous trains in the world. Now in the today's video we will also start our next chapter, that is chapter 8, Wonders of the ancient world. Now we are going to start our chapter 8, Wonders of the Ancient World. On page number 8, you can see here, ancient writers described 7 majestic constructions to help tourists of their time find places to visit. And these structures are now known as the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Only one of them exists today. However, these sites still fascinate curious mind. My dear students, in this chapter we will study about the ancient monuments, and here we will get to know about the different type of monuments and 7 wonders of the ancient world, that only one of them exists today. And here we will have the sites that there still fascinate curious mind in us, that how they are and from where they are belongs to. Now we are going to read one by one, and you can see here clearly. I am going to zoom it. You can see here clues are given, and you have to write the alphabet which is given in the clue as per the numbering A, B, C, D alphabetically. You can see here clearly. Now we are going to read it one by one and we will solve it. Your first picture is about, this was a large indoor sculpture made of ivory. Ivory, did you know, the teeth of an elephant, and beaten gold. It was about 13 meter tall. 13 meter tall. Then you can take the help of the clue and find your answer. I have written there as for you. Here you can see, this was a large indoor sculpture made of ivory and beaten gold. It was about 13 meter tall. Then what is the correct answer? Take the answer from the clues. Your E, alphabet E, you can see here, this is the statue of Zeus Olympia, situated in Greece. Situated in Greece. This is the picture of statue of Zeus Olympia, situated in Greece. Now second picture is about, this temple was one of the largest in ancient Greece, built to honor a Greek goddess. This is the temple and built in the honor of a Greek goddess. Now which one? Take the clue from the clue box. G1. Here this is the temple of Artemis. This is the temple of Artemis, Ephesus, situated in Turkey. Situated in Turkey. Now come to the next one, 3-1. You can see here the beautiful picture is shown on your screen on page number 8. You can see here, this is very, very beautiful. Now it is the oldest and the only one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world to survive. It is the largest stone structure ever built. This is the world's largest stone structure ever built in the history of the world. You can see this is the clue on D. Which one is? This is Great Pyramid of Giza, and it is situated in Egypt. It is situated in Egypt. You can see here. Now come to the next page. Page number 9. I am going to zoom it so you can see clearly here. 4th one. This mausoleum was made of marble and was 45 meter high. It was destroyed in an earthquake. This is a mausoleum and it was made up of marble, pure marble, and the height of this mausoleum was about 40 meter high, and unfortunately it was destroyed in an earthquake. You can see here, and the clue answer is A. Now come to the clue. We can see the answer here. It is Museum at the Halicarnassus, and it is also situated in Turkey. Now come to the next one. Fifth one. There were a series of magnificent terraced garden made up of bricks that were glazed and brightly colored. You can see here. There were a series of magnificent terraced garden made of bricks that were glazed and brightly colored. You can see your answer is B. Now come to the clue to see your answer. Your answer is B. This is Hanging Garden of Babylon, and it is situated in Iraq. This is Baby Hanging Garden of Babylon, situated in Iraq. Now come to the next picture, picture number 6. You can see here, this is very beautiful statue made up of bronze. It was a bronze statue of Greek sun god Helios and was about 30 meters tall. 30 meters tall. Now you can see, now come to see your answer. Your answer is C. Come to the clue. Your answer is, this is the statue of Greek god Colossus of Rhodes, and it is situated in Greece. It is situated in Greece. Now come to the last one, 7th one. It was the world's first known lighthouse located on the island of Phoros, 120 meters high and made up of marble. You can see the picture. It is very beautiful shown here. You can see it was the world's first known lighthouse located on the island of Phoros and 120 meter high and made up of marble. Your answer is F. Now come to the clue to see your answer. Your answer is Lighthouse of Alexandria, and it is situated in Egypt. Now my dear students, in this video we have completed chapter 7 as well as chapter 8. I hope you all have understood this chapter very well, and they both chapters are very interesting. Please read it once again at your home. Now I am going to stop here. I hope you all will revise this chapter once again. Thank you so much. God bless you.